What if the secret to unbreakable focus was not in a productivity app, but in the private journal of a Roman emperor written during a deadly plague? You are losing hours every day to a battle you do not even know you are fighting. But in the next 4 minutes, I will show you how to build an unconquerable fortress in your mind. You feel it, do you not? You feel that phantom buzz in your pocket, even when your phone is on the table. You feel the urge to switch tabs in the middle of a sentence. You pick up your phone to check the weather, and 10 minutes later, you look up from a stranger's vacation photos with no idea how you got there. Your brain feels like a browser with 100 tabs open, all of them playing different music. It is a low-grade panic, a feeling of being constantly behind, of a mind that no longer belongs to you. We blame our devices, these glowing rectangles of infinite distraction. We curse the algorithms designed to hijack our attention. But what if the problem is not the device in your hand? What if it is the lack of a fortress in your head? 2,000 years ago, the most powerful man in the world faced an onslaught of notifications far deadlier than ours. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, was not battling social media. He was battling a plague that was decimating his empire, wars on multiple fronts, and constant political betrayal. Every single day brought news of death and disaster. How did he not just survive, but lead with clarity and courage? He did not have a digital detox. He had something far more powerful, an inner citadel. In his private journal, he wrote about building a fortress within his own mind, a place of calm and reason that no external chaos could breach. He understood that you cannot control the world outside, but you have absolute power over how you respond. And this is where we get it so wrong. We see our digital lives as the enemy storming the gates. But the truth is, we left the gates wide open. Every notification we allow, every mindless scroll, is us inviting the enemy army in for a feast. A digital detox is not about running away from the battle. It is about taking the time to rebuild your walls. Think of a designer, Anna, staring at a blank screen, her creativity choked by the constant hum of incoming emails and news alerts. She decides to try it. For 1 hour, she turns everything off. The first 10 minutes are torture. She feels antsy, bored, anxious. Her mind screams for a hit of information. This is where most people fail. They mistake this discomfort for proof that the detox is not working. But Anna sticks with it. And in that silence, a strange thing happens. The screaming in her head quiets down. The questions of what if and I should begin to fade. An idea, timid at first, finally has the space to emerge. The discomfort she felt was not failure. It was the feeling of a broken bone setting. It was the ache of an atrophied muscle, the muscle of focus, finally being used again. You do not need a week-long retreat. You just need to start rebuilding your fortress, one stone at a time. So here is the first step. Tomorrow, schedule 30 minutes of intentional disconnection. This means no phone, no computer, no TV. It will be just you and your own thoughts. But simply being silent is not enough. There is a specific question Marcus Aurelius asked himself that transforms that empty time into an unbreakable foundation for focus. It is the difference between a temporary break and a permanent upgrade to your mind. Subscribe for weekly stories that change how you see yourself and the world. These stories feature ancient wisdom meeting modern psychology through unforgettable narratives.